wanna be in the video? Glock 19, Gen 5. We got the whole plate carrier set up now, man. Bah, bah, bah. $300 and some, man. You can't beat it. You wanna be in the video? Come here. Say what up? Glock 19, Gen 5. Watch out, I'm about to do my YouTube video, man. Y'all up in my shit. Move around. What up, real off stock guns, man? Welcome back to the YouTube, man. We got another banger for you guys, you feel me? Today, we got an unboxing of the Deadly Threat little bundle kit they had for a little sale they had going on. I guess you get the body armor, one front plate, one back plate, two side plates, and they all 308 rated. So let's open it up. And I think I ordered a battle belt too, so we about to see what's all in here, you feel me? But yeah, let's get this unboxed. And I only paid $306. It was like $288 for the product, and then shipping made it like $306. But yeah, not too crazy for a level 3 plates, you feel me? Yeah, I mean, it's not better than level 4, obviously, but I don't have $6,000 or $1,000 to go spend on a $1,000 rig, you feel me? So I'm gonna go with the alternative that I see online. And then I read my reviews upon it too. It is also good before I bought it, so I made sure I did all that. But yeah. All right, so first you unbox it, we get these little extra little wrapping papers. Don't need any of that shit. We got the, I'm pretty sure it's the battle belt. Let's see, hold on. We're gonna open this package first. Yeah, this is the battle belt. They also gave me a Deadly Threat pouch, or patch. Put it up there so you guys can see that. Also gave me a little pouch, you feel me? But yeah. We got the battle belt right here. Let's see how this shit works, man. And cut. Alright, we got the zip tie off. Oh yes. Alright, so it comes with the inside Velcro, you know the part that goes on the inside. So we got the inside battle belt, you feel me? Nice quality, I'm not gonna lie, this is very durable. I'll bring it up to the camera so y'all can see. Where we at? Nice, durable material that they use. But that goes like inside your pants, like around your regular pants buckles, you feel me? Then you would put this on after, which they give you a lot of different little pouches you can use. They got mag holders, tourniquet holders, cuff holders, whatever you need, you feel me? But this how to go on, in case you people that don't know how these battle belts work. This is also my first battle belt ever, so it'll go on like this. Put it around you like a regular belt. Then you'll take these, take your battle belt, put it over them same Velcros, adjust it to your size. Obviously, mine might not just be adjusted yet. That's basically how to go on there though. Make sure it connects to the Velcro strap. Feel me? And there you have it, a battle belt right there. But let me take it off so y'all can see it. Here it is. Got mag holders, other little pouches you can put stuff in, high quality Velcro straps. It's not no cheap material. It's not gonna break on you in the middle of using it. More mag holders over here on this side. Overall quality duty belt, not gonna lie. Especially for the price that we got it for. I think we bought this battle belt for, I think it was $89. So $89, you get a high quality battle belt with the Velcro strap. You feel me? And that's Deadly Threat, so I don't have no discount code. This is not a sponsored video either, but I'm just making this video for content. So, but if you fuck with that, man, make sure y'all go tap in with them, you feel me? Great quality stuff. Can't really beat the price, not gonna lie. So that's the duty belt right there, guys. Let's see what came inside the other part of the box. Battle belt over there. All right, now we got the carrier. Let's see what it's looking like. Looks high quality already, not even gonna lie to you guys. Don't need the bag, throw that shit over there. These little salt packs, don't need it. All right. So we got the front plate, the front part of the body armor. Yeah, this is the back, my bad. That's the back. This would be the front. They do have them quick clips. In case you people that don't know how these work, you just slide them in. Slide it in just like that with these little clips. Move that stuff out the way. Put it in just like that. Take your Velcros, connect them. Not gonna lie, it's a high quality one right here for $200-something. So this is your plate carrier you get. You can take these back ones off. These is like the Velcroed in, but you can take these little back plates, back little pouches off if you don't want them on there to make it a little lighter kit. But on the back side, we got 2 fat pouches. Put anything in there. Another little pouch up here. Put stuff up there. They got the top parts. I wouldn't put shotgun shells or no bullets or nothing like that right here. Who would want something that can explode right next to your neck? But to adjust the sizes, this is right here. This fits small or extra small to like 2XL, I was told. So it's one size fits all, so that's good, you feel me? All you have to do is take this off and adjust to where you would think you would need to fit it for your fitting, you feel me? But I'm gonna keep in mind all the way at the top because I'm a skinny man. Overall, right now, this high quality for real. The inside's got these little padding in it to make it comfortable against your body. High quality Velcro. The front comes with 3 mag holders, with some 3 AR mag holders too. Overall, nice quality. We got the side plates for the sides. Comes with extra little pouches, a little secondary pouch, whatever you want to run in there. But same thing on both sides, and it's the quick release. You just pull this down and your whole plate comes off. But yeah, that's the plate carrier right there, guys. Only $288 for the front and back plates and side plates, which we haven't pulled out the bag yet, but that's the plate carrier, guys. You feel me? Let me take this apart first. All right, let's move over to the plates. All right, also, they sent us 2 daily patches. So shout out to Daily Threat, man. Y'all go tap in with them. I'm gonna put them on my plate carrier. But yeah, they also sent me a Daily Threat sticker, in case you guys that don't know what their company look like. Let me get up in the camera so y'all guys can see. This is their company, man. Make sure y'all go tap in with them. Going crazy. You feel me? Next. That's just the receipt, don't really need that. All right, so now we got the plates. Damn, these are heavy. All right, don't need the box anymore. Well, 1 front and 1 back plate. Let's open them and see what they're rated and all that. Make sure you guys know what y'all are buying before you buy it, you feel me? That's why I'm making this video, so y'all don't have to buy it and do the research yourself. I'm doing it for you, you feel me? Open these plates up, man. Deadly Threat Body Armor Level 3 Fearless Ballistic Panel. Defeat 6 rifle rounds, 10 by 12 plate, up to 308 762 by 2,780 feet, which is 15.3 meters. Plus all ballistic round below the threat level. So all handguns, this plate is beating. 6 rifle shots from 762 or 308s at 2,700 feet is stopping it. So that's fine with me. Shit, 15 meters is not a lot, but in a firefight with normal civilians that's not at war type shit, this is great to have as a civilian, you feel me? You get hit with a 4.5, 9 mil, none of that shit's going through this, you feel me? And it's like a curve. You don't never want no straight body armor. Everybody already know that though. But yeah, that's what they look like. Body armor says defeat 6 rifle rounds, 308 762, serial number, blah blah blah, tested and certified. Yep, these are battle tested too, just so you guys know. But yeah, this is what they look like. Nice little thin little plate, not thin but not too crazy, so it won't be too heavy when we're wearing it, you feel me? But yeah, we got those. That's the level 3 front plate, back plate. It's both the same size, so it don't really matter. You can put it either way. Let's see what these level 3 plates hitting for, or side plates hitting for. All right, we got one. Oh, it's nice little. This is a little side plate. Nice little side plates we get for the carrier. Open up this other one. Let's get this carrier put together, man. This will be my first time ever setting up a plate carrier, so if you ain't never did one, we both doing it together, you feel me? And if you got comments or shit I should change when I set it up, please drop them below, you feel me? This is my first time doing this. I don't really know shit about plates, I just know I need one, you feel me? But yeah, we got the 2 side plates, 2 back plates, battle belt, your carrier. Let's get this off. All right, take that front plate off. I mean the front side of the carrier off. Open the bottom of it. Your plate's never falling out, ever. The front, so we want it to go like this. Plate, put the white paper or whatever it said, the wording on the back. So this is the front, this will be in the front of you. Slide it in. Make sure it's all the way in there too. You don't want to get smacked, you feel me? My bad guys, I'm struggling. Hold on. It ain't hard, but I'm trying to get this plate in a position where this Velcro about to go. Trying to match stupid. Not too crazy either, it's not even too heavy. But yeah, we got the plate, guys. Not too crazy, not too heavy yet. We got that one in, let's get this one in. That plate's in too. Where did we put those in at? The back open, remember what I said? White words or the wording always goes on your body. So this is the back, we need the back to be this way. The plate to be facing outwards. Feel me? Get that little thingamajigger in there, get that little plate in there. So now we got both plates on. Now we need to figure out how to put these side plates in. All right, side plates going right here. With side plates, you want the curve to be on the inside of you. So if it's curved, put it on the inside of you. And this is the back side of the plate, so it'd be like this, yep. Make sure you have to get it pushed all the way down. Open this side. The same thing, curve side, inside. Very good, push it all the way down. Put that Velcro back on good. All right, so now we can reconnect the plates. Now it's getting a little heavy, guys. Now it's getting a little heavy. All right, reconnect your plates, you feel me? You can reconnect one side. Let's throw it on, see what it fits like. Hold on, guys. All right, so we got the on body look. You feel me? Side plates and back plates in. It's not too heavy either. It's about, I think it's like 14 pounds, some shit like that. It's not too crazy. But yeah, this is what it looks like on body. We got mag pouches here, another mag pouch here, mag side holsters. You can put a secondary right there. We got the backpacks, stuff on the back that you can use for other essentials. I'm gonna put this deadly tactical pouch right here. Cause why not? So yeah. Should I put both on actually? Let's see if both will fit on there. Tight pair. Alright, so we got both on now. Both little pouches on there. The plate carrier is not too crazy heavy, and I ain't gonna lie. Sits fine with me. But speaking of that, let's start stacking this little plate carrier up here. I'm gonna run a Glock Max, to be honest. Put these off first real quick. Undo these patches. Yep, and it's Velcro strap, so you don't gotta wear a bunch of mags falling out and shit like that. It's very, very secure in there. Got another Glock mag. Oh, cause this nigga gave me a Glock 40 mag. I was wondering why these bullets was huge as fuck. Alright, so we got the whole shebang settled up, you feel me? Hold on, let me close this up. We got the whole plate carrier set up now, man. I got 3 AR mags, 3 Hellcat Pro mags up top, because that's what I run as my primary and secondary. I got a Glock 45 Gen 5 just in here with an extra mag just because. Another AR mag. Plates are inside, and that's all I did so far. You feel me? I'm gonna do way more shit to it. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna put on it. Flashlight, pocket knives, all that extra shit. But yeah, overall, it's not that bad. Great quality, you feel me? You get your bang for your buck, not gonna lie. Also, with the battle belt, very crazy, very tough, very much needed. If you're going to war or shit like that, or you're trying to survive, very much needed, you feel me? You can use this for many things, extra mags, extra place to put shit. You know what duty belts are for, you feel me? Shit duty belts are for. But yeah, I got this plate carrier and this duty belt for $300 and some, man. You can't beat it. Go tap in with Daily Threat, you feel me? Great quality stuff for the low. And if you want to see me train with this vest and this battle belt in another video, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Give me a follow on Instagram, Snapchat, all that. Hit that post notification so you know when I post, you feel me? But yeah, nice little carry I got today. Appreciate the love and support all you guys are showing, you feel me? We just hit 1,100 subscribers. Let's aim for 2K next video, you feel me? On this video, drop me, let's see, what we get on? We got like 1.2 views on last video. Shit, give me like 50 likes, you feel me? And I bust out another video for y'all, you feel me? So I'll drop this one of these days. Give me 50 likes on this video. I'm gonna drop another banger for you guys, you feel me? But yeah, y'all go tap in with Daily Threat. Oh, hold on. Shout out our sponsor, REALOFFSTOCK.com, you feel me? Or REALOFFSTOCK.BigCartel.com, you feel me? That's my brand. That's my clothing brand I own. We got jumpsuits, beanies, shorts, zip-up jackets, everything you need. I also make custom rugs. This is not one of the custom rugs I make, but I do make custom rugs, you feel me? But y'all go follow my socials. I'll list them all below. They're probably already on the screen in the whole video, but y'all go tap in with me, you feel me? If you want custom shits done, y'all come holla at me. Until then, Real Off Stock guns out. Bah, 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 bah.